Okay, so this is an interactive quiz that was generated in Perplexity AI. So this is quite similar to the interactive quiz in Gemini in ChatGPT. And this feature is actually somewhat hidden because even though according to Perplexity, this study mode is available to all users regardless of the subscription, apparently it is not quite obvious if you're not in the student plan or a school organization in Perplexity. But as you can see, I'm not subscribing to that plan, and yet I'm still able to use this AI tool. So let me show you how you can generate quiz from any topic or from any materials using Perplexity AI. So let's open Perplexity.ai. Here I'm using desktop web version, and apparently this should work on the mobile app version, but on my testing it's just not working. So maybe there is a bug, or perhaps it's not yet updated to all users. So for now, I'll just use the desktop web version. Now in this case, I'll use this document that talks about the history of the Roman Empire. Let me just upload the document to Perplexity. And then this is the command that you can send. Please turn this document into an interactive quiz, or any phrasing that similar to that. Okay, so this is my prompt, and you can add functionalities like searching on academia content, social media, finance, etc. if necessary, but that is completely optional. And then you can also select a different AI model. In this case, I'll just use Cloud Sonnet. Let me just send the message and just wait for Perplexity to turn or to create a set of quiz from the material that you have provided. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. So I'll just skip a word and I'll show you the result in a second. Okay, so this is the result. Now, before we continue, you might be wondering, is this going to work on the mobile app version? Well, right now, I think you are supposed to be able to see it, but in this case, when I click the view button, I couldn't load anything, so I cannot use this quiz feature in the mobile app version of Perplexity. I cannot even generate a quiz, so I don't know what's going on, but so yeah, that's why I'm sticking to the desktop web version. Okay, now, basically, there are a few things that I do really like about this quiz in Perplexity. Down here, you can select the option like make the questions to be easier, harder, or if you want to get more questions, you can click that button. So let's say this topic is too difficult. Well, I can click this button and Perplexity will recreate the quiz again, but the question will be a lot easier. And I think this is very useful because you can kind of gauge how much your knowledge in that topic. If you think that this is too difficult, then you can make it easier. If the quiz is too easy, then you can make it harder. So I think you can try to make a quiz that is much more balanced or much more accurate based off your knowledge. So this is a feature that I wish we can see more often in ChatGPT or Gemini AI. But yeah, that's basically how you can generate an interactive quiz using Perplexity AI. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.